Welcome to another episode of Jay's Learning School, where I help you understand and speak better English. On today's English lesson, I want to talk about the phrase look at the big picture, or you would say look at the bigger picture. When it comes to using look at the bigger picture or look at the big picture, a person is trying to communicate that they want you to look at a wider or better perspective concerning a situation that they are discussing with you. Okay. To look at the big picture also means to look to the future. Don't just focus on the now or negative or small details. No, I want you to look at how making this move or doing a particular thing or not doing a particular thing will be better in the long run. And so a person would communicate that by saying, hey, look at the big picture. Now, to describe a person that uses that particular term, you would say that person has vision or is strategic. Okay. When a person has vision or they are strategic, they're not just living for the day. They're not just doing anything just to be doing it. They have purpose in what they're doing. A person that says to look at the bigger picture has a plan. Okay. So you may tell someone, look, I have a plan. Look at the bigger picture. If we save this amount of money every month, at the end of the year, we'll reach our goal. Don't look at having less money now. Look at the bigger picture. Okay. A husband may tell his wife, look, if we put back $200 a month in a few months, we'll be able to go on the vacation that we desire. Look at the bigger picture. Don't just look at not having $200 now. Look at the bigger picture. I have a plan. We want to go on vacation. Okay. Someone that uses the term look at the big or bigger picture, you may also say, look, don't sweat the small stuff. Okay. Don't sweat the small stuff. Now, when you say don't sweat the small stuff, you're basically trying to tell a person, don't look at the minor details or don't just look at something that can set us back. This right here will be better in the long run. Look at the bigger picture. You also have to consider that you want someone to look at things from your perspective. So you may also say, look at it like this. Okay. They may be looking at it one way, but you want them to look at a situation another way. Okay. A parent may tell a child, look at it like this. If you clean your room now, you won't have to do it later. Okay. Look at the bigger picture. If you study every day for 30 minutes, it will be easier for you to prepare for the test. Okay. Look at it like this. So they have their perspective, but you may have a better perspective. All right. So look at the bigger picture is a very common term that's used in English communication. You can watch this video again and practice using the phrase, look at a bigger picture. Thanks for watching today's learning episode. Be sure to watch me on YouTube, TikTok for another exercise to help you better your English.